Today, I'm showing you 6 completely free AI tools that can genuinely help you make money online. And trust me, these tools aren't the same ones you've already seen everywhere else. They're unique, powerful, and will completely change the way you think about online business. Tool 1. The first tool we're diving into is Lama. And if you've ever felt like building something tech-related was out of reach, this is the tool that changes that. Lama is an AI platform that can create apps, calculators, and other tools, even if you've never touched a line of code in your life. People pay developers thousands of dollars to build these things. With Lama, you're cutting out the middleman and creating them yourself for free. Let's say you've noticed that a lot of real estate agents struggle to explain things like mortgage payments to their clients. What if you could create a mortgage calculator they could use on their websites? It's a tool that's not only useful, but can also drive traffic and engagement. Here's how you do it with Lama. You'd go to the platform, type something like, create a mortgage calculator that calculates monthly payments based on loan amount, interest rate, and loan term, and hit submit. The AI does the rest. Within moments, it generates all the code you need. You can click on Preview to see the final product. The calculator includes adjustable fields where users can input their specific loan details and see the exact monthly payment. This isn't just a simple number cruncher. It's a tool that provides real, actionable insights to people who need them. And because Lama also gives you the code, you can embed the calculator on a website, share it with others, or even sell it as part of a larger service package. Now let's think about another example. Maybe you're running a blog about personal finance, and you want to offer a budgeting tool to your readers. You can use Lama to create something like a savings goal calculator. All you'd need to do is type in, create a savings goal calculator that shows how long it will take to save X amount of money based on monthly contributions and interest rate. The AI will instantly generate the tool for you. This kind of resource isn't just valuable for your audience. It could also help you grow your website's traffic and even attract sponsorships. Here's the bottom line. Lama removes the barriers that usually come with creating tech tools. You don't need coding skills, and you don't need to hire a developer. And because it's free, you can experiment as much as you want without any financial risk. It's perfect for anyone looking to add value to a website, create tools to sell, or just explore new ideas. Tool 2. Next up is V0, which takes things a step further by letting you create more complex workflows and systems. While Lama is great for simpler tools like calculators, V0 is designed for projects that require multiple steps or components. Don't worry though, you still don't need any coding experience to use it. Let's break it down with an example. Say you're a freelancer offering marketing services, and you want to design a client onboarding process that feels professional. A well-designed onboarding experience can make a huge difference in how clients think of your business. With V0, you can create one in minutes. You'd start by going to the platform and typing a prompt like, create a multi-step onboarding process that collects client details, project goals, and preferred timelines. Once you hit submit, the AI generates everything for you. The steps, the design, and even the code. But onboarding processes are just one example. Let's look at another use case. Let's say you're in the e-commerce space, and you want to offer customers a tool that helps them estimate shipping costs based on their location and order size. You could use V0 to create a custom shipping calculator. Just type in a prompt like, create a shipping cost calculator that takes location, weight, and dimensions into account, and let the AI do its thing. The result is a tool that adds real value to your e-commerce platform and improves your customer experience. What makes V0 so powerful is its flexibility. Whether you're creating workflows, calculators, or something else entirely, the platform adapts to your needs. And like Lama it's completely free, so there's no downside to trying it out. If you're serious about building tools that can improve your business or generate income, V0 is a must-try. Tool 3. Now let's talk about Websim Ai, which is arguably one of the most versatile platforms out there. This tool doesn't just create apps or calculators, it can build entire websites, games, and more. The level of customization and creativity it offers is unmatched, and it's all completely free. Let's say you've been thinking about creating a platform for content creators. Maybe you want to offer tools like a headline generator, a content calendar, and a keyword analyzer, all in one place. With Websim Ai, you can make that happen. You'd start by typing a prompt like, build a website for content creators that includes tools for planning, planning, SEO, and social media management. The AI will generate the entire site for you, complete with a modern design and all the features you requested. What's even better is that the platform doesn't just stop at the basics. If you want to tweak the design, add more tools, or change the functionality, you can do that too. Once you're happy with the updates, you can regenerate the site with the new features included. This level of control means you're not just relying on the AI, you're actively shaping the final product to fit your vision. Another great use case is creating niche news websites. For example, you could use Websim Ai to build a site focused on AI news. You'd type in something like, create a news website about AI that includes daily updates, categorized articles, and a search function, and let the platform handle the rest. In minutes, you'd have a professional-looking site that's ready to go live. You could monetize it through ads, affiliate links, or even a subscription model if you wanted to provide premium content. Websim Ai helps you create almost anything you can think of. Tool 4. Next is a tool called 115 AI, and it's like a virtual toolbox you can use for free. The website is packed with different tools, and they cover a lot of areas like working with text, editing images, coding, choosing colors for designs, and even helping with social media. What's really impressive about this site is how much variety it offers. Whether you're working on a creative project, running a social media account, or just need a quick tool for a specific task, it's all in one place. Let's talk about one specific tool they have, the YouTube Thumbnail Grabber. Just type in YouTube Thumbnail Grabber in the search bar and click on this, https://115.io tools YouTube Thumbnail Grabber. This tool is super helpful if you ever need to save a thumbnail from a YouTube video, and it's incredibly simple to use. Once you're here, all you have to do is grab the link of the YouTube video you're interested in, copy that link, and paste it into the tool on the site. Within seconds, the thumbnail from the video pops up on your screen, and there's a button you can click to download it. That's it. You've got the image saved to your device. This can be really useful if you're a YouTuber who wants to study popular thumbnails for inspiration, or maybe you're creating a collage or using the image in a presentation. The process is quick, and you don't need to mess around with screenshots or cropping. But there's way more to 115.io than just thumbnails. It also has a bunch of tools for social media, and one of the coolest ones is called the Tweet-to-Image Converter. Type that into the search bar and open it up. This tool takes a tweet and turns it into an image that you can share anywhere. The benefit here is that you can make the tweet look good and add personal touches to it. For example, let's say you've written a really good tweet that you want to share on Instagram. Instead of taking a screenshot, you can use this tool to make it look polished. Just paste your tweet into it. From there, you can customize everything. You can upload your profile picture so it looks just like your account. You can change your username or even the number of likes and retweets the post has. You can also pick different themes, like light mode or dark mode, to match your style. Once it's all set up how you like, you download it, and now you have a high-quality image of your tweet. It's perfect for sharing on platforms where plain text doesn't stand out as much. 115.io offers a lot of other tools too, like one that generates tweets for you if you're struggling to come up with ideas, and one that helps you choose color schemes for design projects. Everything on the site is completely free, which makes it even greater. You don't need to sign up for any subscriptions or worry about hidden fees. The website is built to make your work easier, and it does a great job of that. Tool 5. Now let's talk about the fifth website, which is called What AI Can Do Today. This one is all about helping you find the right AI tools for whatever task you're working on. AI tools are popping up everywhere these days, and it can be overwhelming to figure out which ones are worth using. That's where this website comes in. It works kind of like a search engine, but it's specifically focused on AI tools. You type in what you're trying to do, and the site gives you a list of tools that can help with that exact thing. For example, let's say you want to find tools that can help you be more productive. You'd go to the site and type "be more productive" into the search bar. In just a few seconds, you'll get a list of AI tools designed to help with things like time management, automating repetitive tasks, or organizing your work. The website doesn't just give you random suggestions. It gives you options that are specifically tailored to what you're looking for. And the more specific you are in your search, the better the results. If you search for something like social media growth, the site will show you tools that can help you schedule posts, analyze engagement, or even write captions. What's really impressive is the size of the database. The site has almost 200,000 AI tools listed, which means no matter what you're trying to do, you're almost guaranteed to find something that works for you. For example, if you're thinking about starting a business and you need a free way to create a website, you could search "Create a Website for Free." The site would show you a bunch of AI tools that specialize in that. The best part about what AI can do today is that it's completely free to use. You don't need to pay anything to access the information, which makes it a great resource for anyone who wants to explore AI without spending money. Whether you're just curious about what's out there or you're looking for something specific, it's a great place to start. Tool 6. Next up is Bookipi, a platform that helps you create websites using AI. What's great about Bookipi is that it's designed for people who don't know how to code. You don't need any technical skills to use it, which makes it perfect for beginners or small business owners who want to get a website up and running quickly. Here's how it works. When you go to the site, you'll see a box where you can describe your business or project. For example, you might type in something like, "We help businesses grow with content and AI." Once you've entered your description, you click a button to create your website for free. Within seconds, Bookipi generates a website for you. It includes a basic layout, text that matches your description, and placeholder images that you can replace with your own. The site also gives you options to customize the website. You can add videos, images, or even testimonials from clients. If you're not happy with the initial design, you can tweak it until it feels just right. This level of flexibility is really helpful because it allows you to make the site your own without having to start from scratch. And like the other websites we've talked about, Bookipi is completely free. This makes it a great option for people who are just starting out and don't have the budget to hire a web designer. All of these websites offer powerful tools that are not only useful but also completely free. They're designed to make your life easier and help you accomplish tasks that might otherwise take a lot of time or money. Whether you're creating content, building a website, or exploring creative projects, these platforms have something to offer. Try them out and see what you can create. You might be surprised at what's possible. What AI tools do you currently use or are you thinking of using? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.